So what are the 3 latest updates you need to know about our community, Bennington housing development here near Carlisle High School with 134 homes? Hey, this is Dave Hooke, the Dave Hooke real estate team over at Keller Williams of Central PA, and I want to go over 3 major updates that we haven't spoke to you about since our last video. The first of 3 updates is the model home and design center is completely decorated and turnkey finished, ready for you to design your dream home. Come on in and check it out. So as you can see, our design center is completely turnkey and completely decorated and ready for you and your family to design your dream home here at the Bennington community. And the second update I wanted to let you know is that our very own CJ Lawnnecker from the Dave Hooke real estate team is holding the model home open on a weekly basis for your convenience. You and your family can stop by from Thursday through Sunday from 11 a.m. till 5 p.m. and on Mondays from 2 to 6 p.m. Again, that's Thursday through Sunday, 11 to 5, and Mondays 2 to 6. The last thing I wanted to remind you guys is that this new home community is really busy. CJ and the team has already sold and put under contract 30% of the lot inventory in phase 1 of our community. There's 5 phases. We have the streets in phase 1, and 30% of those available lots are already under contract. So we don't want you to miss out. Please click below and register to be a VIP member, where you'll get the latest updates, the latest incentives, and all of the things that come by month to month that you can keep in mind when designing your dream home. Just click the form below and register for that VIP list and or set up your appointment for your own free consultation here at Bennington. Thanks so much for watching. We'll talk to you soon.